Everybody, this is Kelly of Kelly Six Stories, and I'm on a American Indians page on YouTube, which is called Love Legacy 500, and he's going to talk to you about Native American Child Welfare Act. Now, the reason why this is important is because he had a situation with his child pertaining to child services, CPS, I think, and when he came in there or claiming to be someone that he wasn't, which was, black or African American, instead of claiming who he is really, which is American Indian. And he found this information out because he did his genealogy, and he found out that his folks were not slaves and they were indeed, indigenous to the Americas. So anyways, check out the difference in what he says and how they treated him when he was claiming to be African American, and how they quickly switched up everything after he said that he was American Indian and he had the supporting documents to prove it.
Peace. Hope y'all can hear me. On my way to a job interview right now, but I wanted to drop a quick vid, let y'all know what's going on. So I'm in a little custody battle. Not really so much a battle, but I had to go down and get sole custody of my son. And when I went down there, sorry, somebody over here cutting grass. So when I went down to put in the petition, the lady called me in the office, to start the process. I filled out everything, gave it to the lady behind the window. So another lady come and call me. She calls me or whatever. So I go back there and she's just so rude and just nasty and everything, just got an attitude for no reason, right? So I'm like, okay, I'll see what time it is with this, right? This is what I always deal with though when I go place for some reason, especially when it's women. So I go in there to do or whatever. So she's going down the petition. Oh, is this right? Is that right? And this is what this says and everything. So then she get down to the race, and she see that I put Native American. All right, because that's the choice that they had: Native American, black, white, whatever, right? So I put Native American. She said, "Sir, do you put Native American on your on the paper?" I said, "Yeah." I said, "I'm American Indian." She said, "So you're not black?" I said, "That's not a thing." I didn't really go in, but I had to give her a little bit. I had to give her a little bit of her own stuff back, So now she's like, well, I don't even know if we could even continue with the process. I think you're supposed to go through your tribe and blah, blah. I said, my tribe is not federally recognized. Our tribe is not federally recognized. They know that we exist. We're acknowledged, but we're not federally recognized. So she said, all right, well, step out. And mind you, she got her hands up like this. You know what I'm saying? Like I pulled a gun on her. So then we step out. Me and my family advocate, we step out, right? And so we step out or whatever, and she called us back. So when she called us back, some more information. She had went and got a court date for me and everything. And I'm like, I didn't even finish telling you, what's going on, nothing. So then we had to step out once again. Sorry. This weather has been messing with me. But it's a quick change. But yeah, so we had to step out again. Now we got the supervisor. Now we get back. Oh, now the supervisor want to talk to me. Oh, okay. It's real funny. When I was black and when I was a nigga walking up in here, you treat me any kind of way. Now, voice changed, attitude changed. Now your supervisor talking to me. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Good morning, sir. Fixing our coat. Oh, yes. Good morning, sir. So this is what we have to do. This, that, and the third, and blah, 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 and whatever. And so she'll take you over here to the next process and explain everything to you, and blah, blah. So now the first lady, she takes us over there. Mind you, she's an Indian. Like, she's obviously an Indian, the lady, but she don't know it. So she scored us the next part. She's like, okay, so this is what you have to do. She explained it twice. Then she talked to the lady and told the lady exactly what was going on, and also, oh sir, have a great day, and all this and this and third. So then she pointed at the bottom of the paper, and it said the subject child is Native American, and they fall under the Child Welfare Act of 1978. And basically what that deals with is when ACS or state or anything comes, they can't just take your child. They can't just snatch your child from the home. You know, they have to one, see if you have a tribal government. Two, see if it's even necessary to do so. Two, and see if anyone in your tribe will take your child. Because what happens is, once you take the child from their home and everything like that, you strip them of their culture. See what I'm saying? So some smart Indian way back wasn't having that, and now we have that law in place. So I had to let y'all know about that. So whenever you have a custody battle, anything like that, Native American, let them know right away as soon as they come. For whatever reason, doesn't even matter if it's a custody battle, whatever, something criminal or whatever, and the police come to your house, let them know who you are. Let them know exactly who you are, so there's no confusion. So when they go to handle you or handle your children, they know who you are, and they know what they should do and what they shouldn't do. I tell my son all the time, as soon as an officer even approach you, let them know right away that you're a Native American. Right away. So that's all I got for y'all right now.
So right here, this is what he was referencing. He was referencing the Indian Child Welfare Act. It says the Indian Child Welfare Act of 1978 is a federal law that governs jurisdiction over the removal of Native American children from their families in custody, foster care, and adoption cases. It gives tribal governments exclusive jurisdiction over children who reside on or are domiciled on reservations. It says USC sections 25 USC CH 21 1901 ETSEQ, enacted in the 95th United States Congress. Statutes at large is 92 Stat 3069 USC sections 43 USC CH 33 1602 1606 titles 25 USC and Indians 43 USC public lands, effective November 8th 1978. And guys, and this shows the importance of doing your genealogy to find out if you're African or if you're an American Indian, because as an American Indian, they can't just snatch your child away from you like they do people of African descent, which they call African American people. So it's very imperative for you to do your genealogy and to find out, are you only African, are you an American Indian, or are you a person of mixed African American and, American Indian descent? And whether if you can use that, to prove, you use your genealogy to prove which tribe you're from in order to protect yourself and your children.